Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Hope everyone is doing great. In this video, I'm going to share 7 ways of earning through YouTube as a content creator, that too without an AdSense. Before going to the video, don't forget to subscribe our channel and like our video. And without any delay, out of 7 ways, the first way is like affiliate marketing. For an example, you are a fashion content creator or else a technology content creator. While you are reviewing any product or you are unboxing any product, then you can create an affiliate account from Amazon or Flipkart or any other platform, and that affiliate link, if you place it in your description of that particular video where you unboxed or reviewed some products, then from there, if your subscribers are buying anything, you'll get some percentage of commission from there. That's not a huge amount, but it will be a good enough. You'll get satisfied with that. And the second way of earning is sponsorship. After getting a good number of subscribers, and if you are getting a good views to your videos, then some brands will contact you for some collaboration video to promote their products. For that, they'll pay some amount of money, depends on your subscribers and depends on your views you're getting. And the third way of earning is exclusive content. In this exclusive content, you can create some videos and make it as a private only for the subscription people who took your channel subscription. Only they can view those videos. In this way also, you can earn a good amount of money. And the fourth way of earning is a collab with the same category channels. In this point, like if there is a person, channel A and channel B, and channel A has approximately 500k followers and channel B has approximately 50k followers, then this channel A person can directly contact this channel B person, and he can ask for a collaboration video or a collaboration podcast. Then he can demand some amount of money to do that video. And the other way of earning from this particular point is like the after releasing the video, next 6 months or 1 year, he can take the YouTube AdSense revenue from this channel B person. Way of earning is a ebook. You can sell an ebook. And the seventh way of earning is blogging. Related to your category of YouTube channel, the same category, create a blog, and from that blog you can earn from an AdSense. That is a good source of income. I'll recommend that also. And I think I covered all the 7 points. I think you got my points and all. That's it for today's video. We'll see you in next video. Till then, bye bye.